Alright, no crouch, Lev 3, PLC 1. We got a PLC here. If you can see that I've rewired most of this. The white wires are now supposed to represent inputs and outputs instead of just green, because green is supposed to be the common. So here, let's go through my code real quick. So this is the first button, and that will turn on this light, and that light will keep itself on to this latch. And this is the other button. This is the status reset button, and that'll turn off the status light. And the first button will also be the blink button. I can press that 5 times, and then the counter will count that and turn on the timer button, or timer light. And the timer light will turn on the timer, and it'll time itself for 7 seconds, and then the code ends. But also, the second button, the status reset button, resets the counter, and also the timer resets the counter, so you can restart it again. Let's see this in person now. So this is the first button. First click turns on the status. 4 more clicks turns on the timer light. And that stays on for 7 seconds and then turns off. And then if we do that again, and then press the status reset, that'll turn off the status button. This will complete its time, and then the counter is reset from the status reset. Alright, thank you. Okay, this is a continuation for Live 3, no crouch. So let me show you my program. I've demonstrated the use of counters and on delay timers in the last part, but this part is all about showing that this is working too. So there's the button, and that turns on Y2. Y2 will turn on Y3. Y3 will turn on this off timer once Y3 turns off. T1 will turn on Y1, and Y1 will turn on the timer. Alright, so let's see it in action. This is button 1. Oh, I haven't uploaded it yet. Sorry, my bad. It's 100% my fault. I was planning on using a counter, but I kept getting error that there was no reset for the counter, even though there was. I wired it like 8 different times trying to freaking get it to work. So this will turn on this button. Hold on. Yeah, and then that turns off after 3 seconds. And then in a few seconds here, this will turn. Oh, wait. I just realized I did wrong. Okay.
This is why I don't like volatile. Yeah.
If you just change it to constant.
I can just get rid of this and just change Y2 to button. Okay, so slight change.
Again.
The button, it's not a button. Okay, now it is. The button, we'll turn on Y3. Y3 will turn on the timer once it turns off. And then that will turn on Y1, and Y1 will turn on the timer for 6 seconds. It should be off for 5 seconds, and then turn on for 6 seconds. Okay, so slide it off, and then upload that.
And it was given, link wasn't.
This was giving you nuts just in the Arduino.
Well, you don't have Bob anywhere.
Alright, so it's uploaded. That will turn on that, and then turn off for 5 seconds. And then that will turn on this one any second here. Let's try that again. Okay, maybe it just turned on this one. I don't know why. Okay. Well, certainly it's working. It turns this off, but the timer has an error. But I have showed that there's an example of a timer in here. Let me pause this and see if I can get it to work. Okay, slight modification. Actually, major modification. So the button will turn on the timer off delay, and that will turn on Y2. So, in theory, if you press this button, when this is depressed, that will turn on this light for 5 seconds. Just like that. And I already demonstrated the counter and the timer off on delay in the first part of this video. So thank you for watching. Yeah.